How to use Google Ads. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to Google web browser and then type ads.google.com. And this is what it looks like. Now, Google Internet advertising platform is called Google Ads. You can make money online advertisements with Google AdWords to target individuals at the precise moment when they are considering your goods and services. You can use Google Ads to market your company, aid in the sales of goods or services, create awareness, and boost website traffic. So to start, what you want to do is, of course, you have to sign in. And once you have signed in, this is what it looks like. So the very first thing here is to just simply add your information for a faster campaign setup. So you have to type your business name, but this one is optional. You can do that later. Same thing with your website URL. You can do that later. So once done, all you have to do is to click next. And then here you can link your accounts, your YouTube channel if you have. So all you have to do is to tap link and then connect your YouTube channel here. So as you can see, create new YouTube linking. And what you want to do is just simply search or add your YouTube channel here, tap next, and then that's it. That's how you link your YouTube channel here if you have your YouTube channel. So this one is also advantage because it somehow promote your YouTube channel. And if you want to link your mobile and your Google Business profile, phone number, you just have to click add and then enter some information here. Once done, what you want to do is to click next, or you can skip this one if you want to and add this information later. So you have to answer this. What is your goal for this campaign? It's purchases. If it's purchases, you have to tap purchases, submit lead form. Now, if your campaign is all about phone call leads, potential customer calls for business, page views, brand awareness, if you want to see more, if you want to promote an app, so tap app downloads, contacts, book appointments, request codes, sales, add to cart, begin checkout. You just have to click this circle icon here. And then once you have selected, then all you have to do is to click next. So that's it. So this time I want to choose this page views. Okay, so someone views a key page, such as article or product page. So if I want to promote my website and it's all about articles or product page, then I have to tap this one. Then I have to get set up with a campaign for this page views. Okay. But anyways, this time I'd like to pick purchases. So what is your goal for this campaign? We're done with that. Next is define who you should see your ads. So this time, you have to search for themes. So what are words or phrases people use when searching for your products? And this is like keywords. So all you have to do is to simply type some words here so that the customer can view your campaign, okay, or your ads. So for example, you are selling about clothes, okay, because I chose about purchases or purchasing. So I'm selling clothes, I'm selling accessories. So I want people to visit my store or my website using these keywords. I want to search my site or my product if they type these keywords right here. So that's it. Now you can select for the locations. You can click this pencil icon and change your locations here. At the same time, you can also tap all countries and territories if you want to. If you want custom locations, everything is up to you. And then change the location right here. For example, your target people or your target customer, they are living in China. So you can tap that one. And then if you want to enter a specific location, you can also uh, tap this or search for that. You can select your language right here. So you can add multiple language if you wanted to. And then once done, all you have to do is to click this button right here that says done. And that's it. You can now tap next. Okay, so once you're done with define who should see your ads, the keywords, the settings, country, and languages, you can now tap next. And let's proceed to your first campaign. So on the right side, this is the preview. So you finish the information on the left side or putting the information on the left side, you will see a preview on the right side. This is what it looks like when people search on internet. So this is how they will see your campaign or your ads. So here you have to enter final URL and add some images. If you don't have, then you can go to free stock images and select some images related to your product, of course. But I prefer that you upload your own image if you have your own product images, or if you want to use Canva for editing, you can also use Canva for that. Also for logos, if you don't have one, then you just have to go to library and select some sample logos here. But like what I've mentioned earlier, I would highly suggest if you have created your own logo, so you have to import that from your computer. Okay, so that's it. Now videos, if you have one, then you just have to import that video. If you don't have, then you can search on your library right here or create your own video. Everything is up to you. Okay, or you can enter URL. If you have your YouTube channel, paste that URL here, then people will click that link and it will take them directly to your YouTube channel. Now we have here headlines. What are this? Google Ads headlines. What are these headlines and why are these very important? These are indeed important because they provide consumers with an overview of the content of your campaign. Google AdWords headlines are the most crucial element of your advertisement. You may obtain more clicks by grabbing readers' attention with attention grabbing headlines. So you must be careful with this here. We have short headlines, we have long headlines, and you must put every details here. You can't skip this one because these are very important. Okay, also for description, we have short description. And then once you're done with the headlines right here, the short one and the long ones, then you can add your business name. You can add site links, call to action, and other basic information right here. So you have to fill in the information because you can't proceed if you miss an information here. Okay, so that's it. Always remember headlines are indeed very important. Now add promotions, prices, call outs, okay, lead forms. You just have to simply click this plus button here to add. Okay, so that's it. Now once you're done entering the information right here, okay, then what you want to do is to simply click next. But of course, before you click this next button right here, you can go to the right side where you can see the preview of your ads. Okay, if you're using your mobile, and then this is what you see. You can also switch this to desktop view or laptop view. Everything is up to you, but this is the result of your ads. As you can see, okay, so if people scroll to their Facebook or wherever they are, then this is how they see your Google Ads. Okay, so this is the preview. And once you're okay, then click next. And now you're going to set bid strategy. Okay, tap this one, click next. Okay, and then after that, you can now set the budget for your Google Ads. So setting budget is something you need to think wisely. So in order to run your advertising in Google, you must choose the appropriate bidding options and budget. Your budget should be the daily average of what you would feel comfortable spending because it sets a charging cap for each particular campaign. How you handle your bids will determine whether or not your actual costs are reduced. Across campaigns with comparable objectives, shared budgets can be used most effectively when combined with portfolio bid techniques. In order to achieve your goals, this enables you to maximize performance and ROI. So, if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.